Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Um, it's been a while since I last uploaded here. The last time I uploaded was August 2024 and we're now in September 2025. I have a good reason for that. So basically I had a baby, which meant that I could not continue with the uploading schedule. I mean, if you've had a newborn, then you will know how tough it is to combine that with anything at all. That's why people tend to have maternity leaves. So, as at the last time I uploaded the video or a video, my kiddo was less than 1 year. So, I'm proud to say that I have rediscovered my green thumb. So I went back into gardening July this year, and I started by planting an apple tree in the middle of the garden. And then after that, I planted some potatoes in grow bags to the right of the garden. And then I went and got myself a compost because compost is expensive. I have potatoes. I have potatoes in the middle of the garden. I have lavender plants. I've got garlic plants. I've got parsley. I have raspberries, and I also have blueberries. So it's growing and it's very much a work in progress. I'm happy to say that I don't see myself as Clueless Gardener anymore. I've decided to change the channel name to Fleur Foods because it captures more of what this channel is about, which is to share different tips on how to grow food as well as to use food, a low waste approach as well, different herbal, medicine combinations for different common ailments, things like that. That's what I plan to make this channel for. I'll be sharing all sorts of tricks. So I don't think I'm clueless anymore. And that's why I've changed the channel. So now what you expect is more regular uploading and, more fun tips. I'll always give you guys the behind the scenes, approach of everything that's happening, and we can all grow together. So thank you for sticking with me. It's been an interesting journey so far. I even have peony plants as well. It's been really, really rewarding. And since coming back into planting July this year, which was barely 3 months ago, it's just grown in leaps and bounds and it keeps growing. I even have a polytunnel planned. I'm going to put in some new seeds and you have videos of all that. So thank you for staying with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, support a growing channel, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye. Thank you.